Hey guys, if you know, you know, but if you don't, my name is Tiffany and I'm on a 40-pound weight loss journey. Today is day number 1. You guys can expect weekly uploads for my progress, and honestly, I'm doing this to document this for myself and possibly, hopefully, help someone else out there that might be in a similar situation as me. I will attach a clip of me showing you what my body is looking like today and also showing you my current weight on the scale. So just stay tuned, guys. Don't mind the nails, and every week you can expect to upload and just come along this journey with me. Okay, see you guys at the end. I have my weight on the scale on here. I wanted you guys to see me from both angles, how I'm looking. I am currently on today is day number 1 to my weight loss journey that I'm about to start. I am actually on a 40-pound weight loss journey, and honestly, I just want to overall be more healthy, become more active. I will be working out, eating good, whether that's with the ketogenic lifestyle or just a healthy, balanced diet, or possibly even a low-carb diet. So today is day number 1. I'm gonna kick off with like a modified egg diet. Okay, so I haven't eaten yet. I am doing intermittent fasting. Just a simple 16-8 where I'll start eating at 12 o'clock p.m. and I'll stop eating at 8 o'clock p.m. And I will fast for the other 16 hours. Okay guys, so I also went to the grocery store today, so I just want to go through a few items. I am going to start out on the ketogenic lifestyle. So I already have quite a few things here at home, but these are things I added today or I ran out of. This right here is the one net carb bread. Love this bread, like best thing, okay? Like best thing. I have coffee here. I like to sip on black coffee while I'm at work when I'm having like a little sweet tooth craving. I love this black cherry jello. I'm gonna try this thick bacon for the first time, Frederick's, which is a Meyer brand. I normally get Wright or Smithfield, but they were out. So, and I also have some more eggs because basically I'm doing like a modified egg diet where I eat eggs for 2 meals, like boiled eggs for 2 meals of the day. At least for the first 3 days is what I'm doing. And then for 1 meal of the day, I'll have like just a straight up keto meal. And then I plug everything into my FitnessPal app. This is no sort of sponsorship or anything like that. I'm just letting you guys know what I use. I bought some ground turkey so I can make like turkey tacos one day on like a low carb wrap. Some chicken breast. I can do all sorts of things on keto with chicken breasts. A little bit of broccoli for a vegetable. Some baby spinach. I'll add that into some of my salads, or sometimes I'll just have like eggs and spinach. And then I bought some more iceberg lettuce. Guys, listen, I know no nutritional value at all, but I just love the way that it tastes. And then sometimes I'll mix in some baby spinach with it, and sometimes I won't. I also like to use it like if I make like a sandwich with my keto bread. I like to use that, but I just love this stuff. But I also make sure I get in like nutritional greens as well. This 0 sugar lemonade. Now my favorite is like I think it's called like, I don't know, it's the red one. It's like a fruit punch or whatever, but the lemonade is good. This is the only one they had besides the mango. I don't like the mango, but I love the lemonade one and the red one. And then also Life Water. When I'm on keto, I try to drink at least one of these a day. I have several more, at least enough to last me for the week. But I just wanted to show you guys like a few things that I picked up at the store, give you a couple ideas of what I would make. And then I'll also pop in one of my meals for the day. This is what a realistic meal would look like for me, guys. I would just drizzle some ranch on top of the salad. Of course, I'll measure it, and sometimes I top it with some bacon bits. Now, this is me at work. I love this snack. It's a keto crunch. This is no sponsorship, of course, but this is a wonderful snack. If you haven't tried it, you should. Now, this is me doing some kickboxing at home through the virtual class. I like to go in class, but this time I was a little short on time and I wasn't going to make it. So I did some things at home. And then after working out with my straight hair, I went ahead and added some twist in my hair, which I'm still working on. Actually, the middle is not done yet, but you'll see them soon. I had my husband go ahead and record me. And if I didn't already mention so, guys, I am no professional, just someone that is trying to work on themselves and document. So at the end of, this was only really 5 days, guys, but this was my results. I can tell the difference. I am down 5.8 pounds, and honestly, I couldn't be happier. And truly, guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for next week. I plan on posting every Sunday. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on my next one. Thank you. Bye.